Teachers, what's the most awkward thing you've seen a student do? One time, a 7th grade girl raised her hand and asked me to come over to her desk. When I leaned in, she quietly asked if she could go to the restroom, pointing at her lap and mumbling something I didn't catch. I guessed that she had started her period and luckily was wearing dark black pants. So I let her go. When she came back, she stood next to her chair for the rest of the class and left quietly when the bell rang. The next group of students came in, and while I was straightening up in the hallway, the student who was assigned her seat grabbed some paper towels and started wiping up. There was a big puddle on the chair and floor. I suddenly realized that the poor girl had actually wet her pants in 7th grade. I quickly told the boy that someone spilled their drink or water and tried to get him to stop cleaning, but he was like, nope, already done. He had just cleaned up a girl's accident. I told him to wash his hands just in case the drink was sticky and let it go. He never figured out what it really was. The next day, I asked the girl if she was okay, and she was shocked that nobody had noticed. Thank goodness for distracted teachers and students that day. But watching that boy clean up the mess has stuck with me.